Hi everyone, myself Miss Halunde SS. Today I am going to discuss with you related to basic human rights. In that, our today's topic is related to socialization. Now, let us see about that. Definition of socialization. Initially, we are going to see about definition. In that, socialization is a process by which individuals acquire the knowledge, language, social skills, and values to conform to the norms and rules required integration into group of community. That means integration is related to gathering or collection of different communities people together. Another definition related to socialization is if suppose people to people changes, then definition related to socialization also goes on varying. This is another definition related to socialization. Socialization is the process by which human beings beginning at infancy acquires the habits, beliefs, and accumulate the knowledge of society through education and training for adults status. The socialization that we receive in childhood has a lasting effect on our ability to interact with others in society. That means here we get the knowledge how behave with other peoples whenever we are going to any kind of a group of a peoples. Then this is the stages of socialization. In that stages of socialization, first stage is the investigation. This is important stage. This stage is marked by the courteous search for information. The individual compels the group in determine which one will fulfill their needs, reconsistency, while the group estimates the value of potential number, that is a requirement. Along with this, the end of this stage is marked by the entry the group, whereby the group asks the individual to join and they accept the offers. Whatever the offers offered by that group or that community or that socialization, we will going to accept that in that investigation stage. Then second stage is a socialization. At this stage, the individual accept the group norms, values, and prescriptions, and the group adapts to fit the new members' need. Accommodation, the acceptance transitions point is the reached and the individuals becomes a fulfilled member. That means the group will accept those people we are investigating their socialization group. Then that type of a process is called as a socialization, and this is the second step related to our socialization. Then third stage is the maintenance. During this stage, the individual and the group negotiate what contribution is expected of members remain in this stage until the end of their membership. Some individuals are not satisfied with their role in the group or fail to meet the group expectations. Divergence. This is the third stage related to that socialization. Then fourth stage is a remembrance. In this stage, former reminisces about their memories of the group and make sense of their recent departure. If the group reaches a consequences on their reasons for the departure, conclusion about the overall experience of the group become a part of the group tradition. This is a very important stage related to our socialization. Then along with this, here we are going to see about types of socialization. In that, the type happens when a child learns the values, norms and behaviors that should be displayed in order to live accordingly to a specific culture. That means depending upon that culture wise, the socialization group can be formed. First group is related to first types of socialization is a primary socialization. In that, what are the things are involved? Just see this type of a socialization when a child learns the values, norm and behavior that should be displayed in order to live accordingly to their specific culture. Here are so many examples are related to primary culture depending upon the childhood nature, but here I have taken only one example. Just see Example, a child hears his father's talk bad words against an old lady. The child would think that this behavior is especially acceptable, so he would start talking bad words against older lady. That means we do not have to speak in front of our child these kind of bad things that will affect our child. Then secondary socialization. In that secondary socialization, this type of us, when a person learn an opportunate behavior to be displayed within a smaller group, which is still part of a larger society. That means smaller things can become a part of a larger society, and larger society is a fulfillment of that kind of a smaller thing, that is a 8, 9, 10, whatever it may be. These larger smaller things came together and it will becomes the larger society. The changes within the values, attitudes and beliefs of an individuals are seen to be less importance than the changes made in him as he participate in the large society. For example, for that secondary socialization, just see here also number of examples are present, but I have taken here only one example. A high school graduate chooses a career in business management after participating in a small group career seminar led by the college major. That means it will be helpful for that student to achieve their desired things or desired aim. The developmental socialization is a third type of a socialization. It involves a learning process wherein the fear on developing our social skills. Example, Asha Senior High School starts to teach English to a new Frenchman students in order to develop verbal communication. That means whatever the things necessary to survive in our society, then that type of a things we have to study. Then under this type of a study type of a material is they came into that developmental socialization, under that development socialization structure or a title. Then next type of a socialization is a anticipatory socialization. In that, this type refers to process where in person practices a rehearsals for future social relationship. Example, a child anticipates parenthood. He observes his parents perform their daily rules. Resocialization. This involves rejecting previous behaviors pattern and accepting a new one, so the individual can shift from one part of his life to another. Resocialization is said to be a happening throughout human life cycle. Example, when a criminal is rehabilitated, he has to change the role radically. Against of socialization, agendas of socialization. Agendas of socialization. In that agendas, first agenda is related to family, and family is a very important thing related to our socialization. There is no better way to start than to talk about the role of family in our social development, as family is usually consideration to be the important agents of socialization, as infant is completely dependent on others to survive. In our family, our parents or those who play the parent role are responsible for teaching us to functions and care for ourselves. They along with the rest of our family also teach us about close relationship, group life, and how to share resources. Then next thing is the school. The next important agent of the childhood socialization is the school. Of course, the official purpose of the school is to transfer subject knowledge and teach the life skills such as the following directions and meeting deadlines. Again continue with this. but the student don't just learn from the academic curriculum prepared by the teacher and the school administrator in the school. We also learn the social skills through our interaction with the teachers, staff and other students. Peers. Peers group allow the children to form the relationship and learn without direction of adults. However, our peers also give us the chance to develop many of the social skills we need as adults. For example, Alexander will certainly experiences a moment when his friend's behavior and our values he obtained from the family. He has to learn to decide which norms and values to keep, reject or use and follow in certain situations. Again, continuation with mass media. The last agent of the socialization is that we are going to discuss these lessons is mass media, which includes television, internet, radio, movies, books and magazine. This agent that our parents are understandably concerned about. As with our peers, we often learning things through mass media that our parents would probably rather we didn't. Especially today, children are exposed to a wide variety of content including violence and sex which may deem inappropriate. Mass media also seems to reinforce. Religion. Religion plays a significant role in socialization. It influences a morality, becoming a key component in a people's ideas of a right and wrong. The influences of religion extends to many areas of our lives. For example, participation in religious ceremonies not only teaches us beliefs about dress, manners and so on. While the major function of the religion in the process of socialization is teaching people belonging to different religions to be tolerant and respectful towards each other, things do not always work out as desired. Therefore, the power of religion as a socialization agent should be understood well, and any sort of misinterpretations need to be avoided. Under the contrary, socialization plays a big role in unifying the people so that they can acquire one's the character and they can share a multi things in common that may encourage the social development accordingly, since the spread of ideology among the people take over. These all about socialization. Okay, thank you.